Do you want to build a profitable business that also helps the environment? Plastic recycling is one of the most overlooked yet rewarding ventures in Nigeria today. The best part? You don't need huge capital to start. With determination, the right strategy, and a little hustle, you can turn waste plastic into steady income and even scale into a full-blown recycling empire. Here's how to begin. Step 1. Start small. Collect plastic waste for free. You don't need machines or big money to begin. All you need is strong sacks or bags, a storage space, even a small corner in your house, time and consistency, where to find free plastic bottles, pet parties and events. People throw away bottles after celebrations. Markets and shops, pure water sachets, drink bottles pile up daily. Barber shops and bus stops. Customers discard bottles carelessly. Street corners and dump sites. Gold mine for free recyclables. Simply gather, clean, if needed, and store them. Step 2. Sell to crushing companies. Instant cash. Once you've gathered enough, sell to local plastic crushers or recycling agents. Prices vary, but petty bottles can fetch 300 to 700 naira per kilogram depending on quality and location. Pro tip: the more you collect, the more you earn. Some people make 70,000 to 90,000 naira weekly just from gathering and selling bottles. Step 3. Upgrade. Buy a small crushing machine. As you save money, consider buying a small crushing machine, 200,000 to 500,000 naira. This increases your profit because crushed petty flakes sell for 700 to 1200 naira per kilogram. Step 4. Supply bigger recycling companies, long-term wealth. Once you're crushing at a larger scale, you can supply companies that export or recycle plastic into new products. Some even pay in dollars for high-quality pet flakes. Why this business is a goldmine low startup cost. Begin with 0 naira, just your effort. High demand. Plastic recycling is growing fast in Nigeria. Eco-friendly. You're cleaning the environment while making money. Scalable. Start as a side hustle. Grow into a full business. Ready to start? If you're serious about building a plastic recycling business, please subscribe, comment "Teach Me" below, and I'll send you free videos and guides on how to maximize profits in this business. Remember, every big business starts small. Your first 1,000 naira from selling bottles could be the beginning of something huge. Start today. Would you like more details on funding, machines, or where to sell? Let me know in the comments.